Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful quilled asan and the quilled mooshak using paper quilling strips for the Ganesha. So this is the second part of my Quilling Ganesha video and I will show you how to create this beautiful asan with the step-by-step procedure. So let's get started. For this we need some 3 mm quilling strips, yellow color sheet, 2 mm grey strips, quilling mold, quilling tool, liquid glue and purple and pink 5 mm strips. First I have created these two big tight coils using pink and purple 5 mm quilling strips. This pink tight coil is made using 50 strips and the purple one is made using 35 strips. Now I am taking this yellow color paper circle which is having 10 cm diameter, and inside the circle I have created one more circle using 8 cm diameter. Now I am taking my scissor and paper cutter to cut this inner circle. Now cut the circle ring and make a cone type shape, and this cone should be having the same base as the pink tight coil base. Okay, so tighten the cone and just secure it using glue. Like this. So this is the base for our flower asan. Now I will show you how to create some quilling petals. For the yellow petals I am taking one strip of yellow color and making one leaf shape. Like this. And for the pink one I am taking 1.5 strip of pink color and making one more leaf shape. For these petals I am using 3 mm quilling strips and my one strip length is 45 cm. So we need total 35 yellow petals and 35 pink color petals. Now take back your pink color tight coil, yellow cone and all the petals. So first I will connect this pink color tight coil inside the yellow cone. And then I will start arranging yellow petals on top of this cone. So this is done. Now just rotate it and from the back side I will connect pink color petals. So this time I will connect pink petal between two yellow petals. Like this. complete this row as well. So the base is ready. Isn't it looking very pretty? Now I am starting with the Mooshak. So first I am making the face. For this I am taking one strip of grey color and making one cone. Here I am using 2 mm strips. So to create the cone I am just inserting one pencil. Do it very slowly since this is 2 mm, so it can get opened very easily. So you have to be very careful. Now adding glue inside this cone, and in the same way I have created one more dome using one strip of grey. So I will connect the cone with the dome, and that will be the face of the mouse. And similarly for the body I have joined 2 strips of grey color and created 2 domes, and now I am connecting both the domes for the body like this. Now I will connect the face with the body. Allow it to dry for some time. Now I am showing you how to create ears. For this I am taking 1/8 strip of pink and 1/8 strip of grey color and making one tight teardrop shape. Connecting both the ears. Now to create hands, I am taking half strip of grey color and making one bended cone. And connecting both the hands. Now for the leg I am taking one strip of grey color and making one bended teardrop shape. Now I am connecting both the legs with the mouse. Now I have created this cute tail using one strip of grey color, and I have created bended leaf shape. So I am just connecting the tail with the Mooshak. And also I have created this small laddu or sweet using one strip of yellow. So I have connected the laddu between both the hands. So cute mouse is ready. Isn't it looking very beautiful and nice? Now take back the base. First I am connecting this purple color tight coil on top of this. Then I have created this pink tight coil using one strip of pink color. Here I have used 5 mm strip for the base of the Mooshak. Now take back the Ganesha, and I am just adding Ganesha like this. And also adding the Mooshak. So it will look like that Ganesha is standing inside the bunch of flower. So the beautiful project for the Quilling Ganesha and Mooshak with the base is ready, and part 2 is done. So my project is done, and hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.